Welcome to the e-learning modules of Swami Vivekananda Institute of Science and Technology. Today, our topic of discussion is types of marketing demand. Before getting into the details of the concept, let us understand the concept of need, want, and demand. So what is a need? Need is basically the basic human need, like the food, shelter, and clothing. Trust me, any marketer cannot create need because it already pre-exists in each and every human being. Number two is want. When there is a specific need, then it is called want. Like we are hungry, this is need. But when we want to satisfy our need with a specific product, say for example, fried chicken from KFC, pizza from Domino's Pizza, then it is called want. So that means specific need is called want. Then is demand. If our want is being backed by our monetary capacity to purchase to fulfill our want, then it is called demand. Now today we are going to discuss what are the different kinds of demand. Number one, negative demand. If a major part of the market dislike the product and may even ready to pay a price to avoid it, then this kind of demand is called a negative demand. Example, vaccinations, gallbladder operations, etc. Usually the consumer in general want to avoid hospitalization. So that's why it is called a negative demand. So marketing task is to analyze why the market dislike the product and whether a marketing program can change their belief and the attitude. Next one is no demand. Target consumer may be unaware or uninterested about the product. Though the product available, that is important, but the consumer are not aware about it. Say for example, the college students may not be interested in the foreign language courses mainly because of the reason because they don't understand or they're unaware about the importance of learning foreign languages to enrich their future career. So marketing should look for ways to benefit others with their product and of course the sell their products. Next one, latent demand. Market feels a strong need for some products like harmless cigarettes. Marketer needs to measure the size of the market and develop such goods. If you conduct a thorough marketing analysis on the consumer behavior, on the consumer need, we'll be able to understand what are the different kind of product solution, service solution is required in the market, but that is not available. So let us work on that and develop such kind of solution to fulfill the latent demand. Next one is the declining demand. Those who are all aware about the product life cycle concept, you know there is a stage, that is the last stage of the product life cycle is the declining stage. All the products in the market usually face this stage that is called the declining stage. That means the product demand is declining, sales is declining. Now what is the role of the marketer? Marketer has to understand why the sales is being declining. If the reason is, say for example, the pricing is not competitive, the promotional promotional strategies is not competitive, then we need to change it, rectify it. But if we can understand the product is totally obsolete from the market, there is no need of those kind of solution, this kind of product, so then it is better to withdraw the product from the market. It is not always it is the declining areas can be rectifiable. We need to understand whether it is rectifiable. If it is rectifiable, then we have to rectify. If it is not rectifiable, we need to withdraw the product from the market. Next one is irregular demand. We know there is a concept of the seasonal product, where the product demand would be seasons based, right? Season based. Like in a particular season, there would be a demand. In a particular season, there would be no demand. But the marketer job is to maintain a regularity in the demand throughout the year by adopting different kind of marketing strategy. Take an example, selling ice cream in winter, selling air conditioning machines in the winter. So that's the concept of the irregular demand. Next one is the full demand. Sometimes full demand is there and the marketing task is to maintain the current level of demand in the face of changing consumer preferences and increasing competition. Next one, over full demand. Sometimes demand is higher than what the organization can handle. Then the marketing task called demarketing that is required, like to raising the prices and reducing the promotion of the services. Selective marketing is reducing the demand from some parts and say for not so profitable for the market. So that's all for today. So we'll definitely get back soon with some